So you're thinking of moving to Woodinville, Washington. Well, in today's video, we are going to tour 3 different homes in 3 different price points to give you a good idea of what it would be like to actually live here. And we are going to get after it right now. If this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in the greater Seattle area, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you'll be the first to know about our local real estate market. My name is Jess. My husband Sterling and I are local realtors. Our team gets calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to make their move here, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're planning to make that move next month, next week, or even next year, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'd love to help you make that move to the greater Seattle area. One of the many things that Woodinville is known for is the wine country. That's one of the things that we call it here in the greater Seattle area. This is our version of wine country here in the Pacific Northwest. So right behind me is a very popular Chateau Ste winery here in the Woodinville area. Not only does it have a great tour of the winery itself and great wine tastings, but in the summer months it has concerts out in the park. And what's great about that is you can pack up a picnic, bring it here, you can spread out your blanket or low back chairs, grab a bottle of wine, relax, enjoy the music and the warm summer nights. It's fantastic. Not only does it have Chateau Ste, but it has plenty of other wineries and wine tasting rooms. A couple of other unique features in Woodinville are the abundance of large lots and private homes, as well as equestrian lots. So if you're someone who is into horses and you're looking for property with acreage, you can find that in Woodinville. It also has some fantastic restaurants, so definitely worth checking out. And with that, let's get started on our tour for today and head to the first house. The first home on our tour is located on this private and secluded 2.5-acre lot. This is actually going to be the smallest home that we look at today, and it's 1,540 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms, 1 3/4 bathroom. It also has a pool. Now, it is listed at $860,000, which right now the current median home value in Woodinville is $1.1 million. So this is underneath that. So if you're looking for a home that's not too big but does have privacy and acreage, this would be a great fit for you. Or if you're looking for property that has the potential to build something new and again has that privacy, this would also be a great fit. So you can see behind me, here's the pool. And now we're going to take you around the neighborhood just so that you can get a good feel for the other homes. You're going to notice as we do some of the driving footage that a lot of the homes are tucked away. You're going to see a lot of greenery in Woodinville, just wide open spaces, homes that have privacy, homes with large lots. It's a fantastic place to come and enjoy. Here we are coming up on the second home in today's tour. This home has 3 bedrooms, an office, 2.5 bathrooms. It's just under 3,000 square feet, and it sits on a lot that's just under 1 acre. It was built in 1986, and it's listed for $1,649,000. Now, this home is located in the coveted Hollywood Hills neighborhood of Woodinville, which is really close to the wineries and some great restaurants. This specific community is called The Farm, and this is also a very coveted neighborhood. As you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and pan around here so you can just see some of the other beautiful homes in this neighborhood. Nice wide streets, large lots, large homes. Most of them have 3-car garages. The farm has a clubhouse with sports courts, a gym, great amenities. So this is a wonderful neighborhood in the Woodinville area and very indicative of what you will find: larger lots, larger homes in the Woodinville area. And with that, let's take you to our third house. And here we are at our third home. This is one of 4 homes in a short plat. All of these homes sit on nearly 2 acres. This home in particular is 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, nearly 5,000 square feet, so 4,700 square feet. And again, it sits on just shy of a 2-acre lot. It was built in 2022. And you can see behind me, some of these other homes are still being finished. So the one directly behind me, it's still getting some landscaping finished. The one over here is still getting some finishing touches. This first one right on the corner, that one is completed and has been sold. And I'm just gonna pan around so you can see behind me this home right here. Now, I should mention, this is listed for just over $3.6 million. But for that, you get top of the line, brand new everything. One important thing to point out, as you'll see in the photos, is that the laundry room actually has a double set of washer and dryer. So if you are someone who does a ton of laundry, that is super convenient. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around here to the backyard just so that you can get a glimpse of how large this space is. If you are looking for something, a yard that you're gonna need a riding lawnmower or have someone come do your yard maintenance because you love the wide open space, then this is definitely for you. Another great feature of this home is that it has a fantastic outdoor space that's covered so you can enjoy it year round. I'll go ahead and just pan around here. You can see the back of the house, all the windows that let in that tons of natural light. Again, that covered outdoor seating that has an outdoor fireplace and this huge backyard. Think of all the things that you could do out here. And it's just so quiet and peaceful. And with that, we hope you enjoyed today's tour of Woodinville. If you're seriously considering calling Woodinville your home, then you are definitely going to want to check out our other two videos. We have a pros and cons video of Woodinville, as well as a map tour that really dives into where Woodinville is located, all the great amenities, how close it is to other suburbs in the greater Seattle area. And of course, if you're thinking of making a move to the greater Seattle area, then be sure to reach out. Send us a text, give us a call. We would love to help you. And until next time, we hope to see you around town.